So that there is our next problem. So I do have new plugs to go in there. We do have to knock those ones out. I just got to make sure the ones I have are actually the right size. Drop coolant, knock those out, put the new ones in, put coolant in again, run it all through, bleed the system, and hopefully should be good. The manifold probably needs to come off. Apparently all you do is you just get like a flathead or a chisel or something, knock it on one side to get it like crooked, and you just yank it out with pliers. That damn helicopter! Why do we have to live near a RAF base? That's my problem one there. I don't know. I don't know how to get these out. Let's try to do the one that's not leaking. Okay, we're finding a little bit of success. That was English. With this. That freeze plug is completely rusted. Like, it's got a rust hole in it, so I'm not sure how successful it's gonna be trying to knock that out. We're getting a little bit of movement with this one here. Ha! Well, that's now in the block. Let's see if we can grab it out. There we go. One. Ah, busted. No. Come on. Come out for me. There we go. This is going to be the interesting one. No. Well, it's disappeared to the abyss as well. Oh, there we go. Let's get the camera to focus on that. Talk about a coolant leak coming out the block. Just got a little ball of steel wool here just to try and clean up these edges again. So we're good for the fresh plugs. Ideally, if you can use Scotch-Brite, use that, because then you won't end up with any little flakes of the steel wool ending up in your cooling system. Just going to try and keep an eye on it. You'll need a non-hardening sealant, so that'll go on the edge of the new plugs. It'll just seal it up nicely in there. You also need a socket to hit these back in. Now you want to get a socket that still has a bit of wiggle room either side, because if you go something that fits exactly in there, as you hit it in, these edges will start to compress in a little bit. You won't be able to get this out. So give yourself a little wiggle room so that you can knock these into the block. So you're going to let this air dry a little bit for a couple of minutes. We just don't want to go too much on there. Yep, this is going well. Like, it's going, but it's not at the same time. Okay. Zero luck. Right. Little bit of luck. Getting that one in at least. Cool, that's in. When in doubt, get a bigger hammer. That's what I've learnt from this. cool that in. So the camera's about to die, but the system is bled. Car's running amazing. No more leaks from the engine at the moment. And then the last big issue is steering box, because it's fecked. But no, it's doing good. It's doing good.